Hey, hello everyone. Today is another video for options, and today is a Thursday. That's weekly expiry of Nifty. Being Thursday, it's a very exciting day for all the options traders. All the strike prices on the OTM side, right? Whether it is put or call side, they both expire on weekly expiry days. Now, what do I mean by it expires? It becomes zero. The strike price, the LTP of each strike price becomes zero. Correct? So when a price of a contract, it goes to zero, that means by short selling you can make money during Thursday expiries of Nifty. Just before some time, uh, SEBI had made expiries on every day of the week, that is from Monday to Friday. So Monday was I think it was um, mid-cap or fin Nifty. Tuesday was mid-cap, Wednesday was bank Nifty, Thursday was Nifty, and Friday was Sensex. So I traded those markets as well and made good money over there. Now there are some changes by SEBI. There will be only two expiries a week, that is Thursday Nifty and Friday Sensex. And all the others will have monthly expiries. So looking at the current chart, this is the call chart and this is the put chart, okay, of Nifty. Now let's see how the put side is behaving, because we all know that Nifty is currently rising, right? All the prices of the stocks which had fallen during the downtrend has started rising. I'm not saying that the downtrend has stopped, but the downtrend is getting converted into an uptrend. It might reverse again, take a test at a certain level. To know more about these certain levels, watch my other videos which I have posted recently on monthly and weekly timeframes of Nifty 50. You'll understand a lot when you watch those videos. So coming back to this chart, you see we are again talking about RSI support and resistance strategy to trade Nifty options on an expiry day, that is Thursday, that is today. Okay. So here, if you see, I'll directly take you to the main section of the video, that is how to detect whether you want to take that support or you want to trade the resistance. The upper limit is 60, the lower limit is 40. And now the market has started from here, that is today 9:15 a.m. And if you see the price, I'm in the RSI section, okay? So concentrate on the RSI section right now. In the RSI section, the line went down, so there is no trade at all. Just forget about whether you want to trade on these candles or not. You know, whether it is this or this or here. Okay, don't take this. You see why I'm saying? Because it's not fitting in the RSI support and resistance strategy. Okay, when it doesn't fit, if it is near to our strategy, similar to our strategy, then I might take a go ahead or I might trade that. But here it is not. So a big no. Now coming to the swing, let's see how the RSI lines are swinging here. It is going at the bottom, staying at the bottom, right? Moving at the bottom for some time. That means there is some sideways here, sideways market. And why sideways? Because some consolidation is going on. People are selling, buying. But there is no pressure of selling, there is no pressure of buying right now. But as you see, the price is going up, the RSI lines are going up, going up, going up, going up. And now it is near to the upper limit 60. Near to the upper limit 60 here, right? So when it is near to the upper limit 60, and you see that if there is a good candle that is getting formed, if there is a good candle getting formed on the next tick of this RSI move, let me move it here. Okay, here I'll make it a little bold. Yeah, here, this big arrow. Okay, all right, focus on this big arrow, please. Yeah, here, and the next candle here seems to be good. I always tell you that the candle body size should be bigger than both the wicks, and if both the wicks are almost of the same size, that means it's a good candle to trade on. So I got a very beautiful short here. I got a good resistance near the level 60, upper limit 60. I got a good candle where the body of the candle. Let me zoom in a bit more for you all. Okay. Where the body of the candle is bigger than both the wicks, and both the wicks of the candle is almost of the same size, right? So when you get such a setup, trade on it. And the good part about this is, let's see, okay? The good part about this candle is the lower limit, I mean the low of the candle is 202. The high of the candle is 224. That means it's almost a 22 point difference, right? So in case if you lose on this trade, you will lose 22 points, or you can also take the closing, I mean the opening of the candle as your stop loss, right? But not preferable. But if you want to bet, or if you want to put less points on the line, if you lose, then you put opening of the candle as your stop loss and low of the candle as your entry. And if you would have put any of those, then you are seeing the results here, right? Now from 202, let's say I enter at 201, which I did. Where am I right now? Where am I right now? I'm at 16, right? 16. So the kind of profit that I'm making right now from this trade by implementing support and resistance strategy, okay, it is huge. Why it is huge? Because entry points are very important during trades. Entry point decides your exits. Entry point decides your stop losses, right? And as per all the videos that I've shown you till now, this is one of the best setups that I've got in Nifty options Thursday shorting, because here the option is going to expire, right? If there is no spike. Now let's say that there is a sudden spike. Let's say from here, from this point there is a sudden spike. Okay, now even if you keep your stop loss at the same point, that is at 224 or 218, and if this option goes till 100, from 22 right now it goes to 100, it goes to 200, right? Even then you're not at a loss, you can exit at any point. But it doesn't seem like it's going to do that. It might go till the EMA, the 20 EMA, it will test itself and then come back again and expire at 0. That's what is expected as per the current market trends, because the prices are moving up, right? It will either move up or it will start going sideways. It will not reverse in, I'm not predicting anything, but just to make sure that I explain it in a way that you understand right now how this will work. It will go up and it will come down again, expire at 0. So, and yeah, so I was talking about the profit, right? So I have made almost 200 points today by executing this strategy, by implementing it, by making sure that I have no fear while doing it, because I know how much I'm going to lose if I lose. I am going to lose 18 points or 20 points here, but the kind of profit that I've made today is humongous, right? And that is what every trader wants. So great. This was it for today. I wanted to show you all how Thursday shorting works in a very short span, in a way where you understand support and resistance strategy of RSI that I implement in my trades. Go ahead, practice, share it, believe in yourself, and don't be scared. Until and unless you are scared, you won't be able to execute the trades. Even if you have good setups, even if you have a strong strategy and strong entry and exit points, don't be scared. Don't be scared to lose, but be scared to not make money in the stock market, right? Stock market is there to make money. Stock market is also there to lose money, but very minimal, and but the gains are huge, right? So gain more, lose less. Gain more in more trades, lose less in less trades. All right. So this is the fundamentals of stock market, of options trading, especially on a Thursday expiry for Nifty. Okay. Share this video with the people who want to enter uh, options market in Nifty. Help them understand this strategy. Help them implement this strategy. If they are beginners, they can practice it on charts. They can practice it in the 3 minute time frame in the coming sessions, basically in the coming week. It's called paper trading, right? If you don't want to put in money, just paper trade, mark your settings, mark your setups, and see how the market behaves, how the strategy works for you. If you have any questions, add it in the comment box. I will reply. If you want more information on this, I will also give you more links of my videos where I have explained the same strategy with different examples. A lot of examples are there on this channel. So go ahead and watch it, share it, like it. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe it so that you get more videos of this sort, of this strategy. All right. See you in the next video.